Yes, this is Scott Weaver once again. I'm going to be explaining, and this will be probably video three. I'm not sure how I'm going to order it. This will be video three, I would imagine, explaining the process of how a business owner or one of his employees would be able to submit a name with the email to the system. It would need to be sent to our system automatically, so that the response or the drip campaign for sending out either emails or text messages. You can have one or the other. You cannot have both. You can have one or the other to request reviews from your clients or your customers. The first thing that you would need, and this would be supplied to you from our company, would be you'd be getting a link, and it would be, this is the talking about the invite link right here. You would click on this link to get to this section. This is obviously our link for our own reviews, but this would appear for your employee or the business owner, like I said once again, to add a email address or a cell phone number, so texting could be done, so, and as well as the name, the first name which is required, and then the last name. You can add tags to this. That's optional. You might want to put tags down such as your business industry or your business name. That may help us to qualify, but we'll know they're going to come into our system strictly as your business, and then you would simply click on the invite. So like I said, this can be done with email or SMS. So I'm going to pause this video. Well, no, I will not pause it. I'm wanting to go ahead. I'm going to slide another, talk a little bit about, you can do this multiple, and you could add them to a spreadsheet and submit it to the system. You would upload the spreadsheet, you would choose your file and place it there. An example, it would be how you would want to lay that out. I'll roll this in here. You can see real quickly as this is the spreadsheet, and you would have the email heading up here with the first name, and you can see how it should be done with the email, the first name, and the last name. And you would simply load that file, load the file right here, and then you could load up, if you had 20 people, let's say you're a restaurant or you're a dentist practice and you had 20 people a day, you might not want to do it all in one day. You might just want to put them on the spreadsheet and then upload them at the end of the week, and that system would then start doing the invites to have people and to review your business. So that ends this video for this section. I will be pausing this video and adding another section about another way you can add invites into the review system. Hello, this is Scott Weaver. I'm back again, and I wanted to speak about another functionality that may be considered for specific types of businesses. What comes to mind to me might be a retail establishment, it could be a clothing store, it might be a restaurant, it could be a dentist practice or a doctor's office where people are interacting with the receptionist or the secretary, or the clerk across a countertop or at a table, and you may want to ask them right there on the spot after the service has been provided, the transaction has been made, if they would provide you a review, and they would basically enter that information in themselves. It could be at a kiosk, it could be a tablet you have set up at the countertop, a kiosk at a table, and they could then enter that information in, and they would then ask a request to be sent to them. Once that is done, obviously that would continue with the system, go into the system, and then either the email or the text. We're set up as Scott J. Weaver to have text. We do text marketing. We're heavy in text marketing. We're not as heavy as in text, or I'm sorry, in email marketing, not as much so as in text marketing, but there are certain types of industry and business owners I think text would be quite well with. But yeah, you could ask the customer or the client to one of your employees to provide that information for them directly. So that might save you a little bit of time, something you might want to consider. So that concludes this video. I will be going on into the next video very shortly. Thank you.